You are losing thousands in monthly revenue by treating X like a simple social media megaphone. While most users just post for clout, a small group of creators has reverse engineered the algorithm to trigger consistent, high leverage payouts directly to their bank accounts. I have spent 6 months auditing the mechanics behind these six-figure accounts, and the final strategy I am unveiling today is completely different from the conventional advice you hear online. Standard advice you see circulating on your feed. So sit back, grab a cup of water, and let's get to it. The landscape of social media monetization shifted permanently on July 13th, 2023, when the platform officially launched its ad revenue sharing program. Before that date, creators were essentially producing free entertainment for an algorithm. The new model changed that dynamic by redirecting a portion of the advertisement revenue generated in the comment sections directly to the creators. If you have at least 500 followers and 5 million impressions over the last 3 months, you are eligible to flip the switch. Think about that for a second. 5 million impressions might sound like a mountain, but in the world of high velocity content, it is just a molehill. My friend Marcus, who runs a small finance newsletter, decided to test this with a dedicated content sprint for 30 days. He did not post random memes. He focused on high density threads that solved specific problems. By the end of that month, he went from earning virtually zero to a payout of $480. It wasn't a fortune, but it was enough to cover his server costs and his software subscriptions for the entire year. That is the easy win. It is the foundation of building a recurring micro income stream that pays for the tools you use to scale your real business. Now, here is where it gets interesting, and frankly, where most creators get stuck. You can rely on the ad revenue share forever, but that is just playing in the sandbox. To actually level up, you have to transition from a content creator to a conversion engine. The real money on X isn't in the ad impressions, it is in the conversion of your audience into high trust leads. Consider the data from a 2024 study on B2B marketing channels. It showed that leads generated through platform native social signals converted at a rate 3 times higher than cold traffic from search engines. The strategy here is simple but requires discipline. Instead of just posting links, you build a lead magnet system within your direct messages. You share a valuable insight, then offer a deep dive asset for free in exchange for a direct message interaction. This triggers the algorithm in a way that purely external links simply cannot. By forcing the engagement into the direct message inbox, you aren't just getting a follower, you are starting a relationship with a prospective customer. People who enter your DMS are already telling you they trust you enough to talk. If you are finding this helpful so far, hit subscribe because the logic I am about to explain for the third point is how you turn these small wins into a sustainable salary. Okay, remember how I said the best strategy was coming? Here it is. Stop trying to be a creator and start being an ecosystem. The most successful people on X right now aren't just tweeting for impressions. They are using the platform as a top of funnel filter to capture their best audience into a newsletter or a private community. A subscriber on your own email list is worth exponentially more than a follower on a platform owned by a billionaire. If you have 1,000 loyal subscribers on a platform like Beehive or ConvertKit, you can generate $5,000 to $10,000 a month through a combination of sponsorships and digital products. That is not hypothetical. A report from the newsletter growth platform Beehive noted that top-tier creators see an average open rate of 45%. Try getting 45% of your Twitter followers to look at a link. It is impossible. But when you own the email address, you own the relationship. This approach shifts your focus from chasing vanity metrics like retweets and likes to chasing ownership metrics like open rates and click-through rates. Once you see the platform as a recruitment tool for your private ecosystem, everything changes. You stop worrying about whether an algorithm likes your content because you are constantly moving the best parts of your audience into a walled garden where you control the conversation. It feels almost like cheating when you realize most people are still fighting over pennies in the ad revenue pool while you are building $1 million asset in the background. Let that sink in for a second. The ad revenue share is just a subsidy for your content production costs. The real wealth comes from using that reach to build an audience that you actually own. If you treat X as a business development funnel, you don't need 1 million followers to be profitable. You just need the right 1,000 people. This isn't about working harder or posting 3 times a day until you burn out. It is about intentionality. It is about recognizing that every single post is a digital handshake. If you start today, by this time next month, you could have a recurring ad check, a growing email list, and a handful of high trust relationships that turn into actual sales. So there you go. 3 real ways to monetize your time on X. And the third one is the only one that truly scales. If you got value from this, share it with someone who is currently trying to turn their social media time into a business and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive. I have a video coming next week on the specific email sequences that turn these followers into paying customers, and you won't want to miss that. Stick around and let's keep building. As you look at your dashboard tomorrow morning, stop looking for the number of likes. Look at the conversion. How many people clicked through to your profile? How many actually clicked your link? That is the only metric that matters in the long run. If you can improve your link click-through rate by even 1%, you are effectively compounding your potential income in a way that makes every other metric look irrelevant. It is not magic. It is just math. And once you master the math, you own the game. Every great creator on this platform started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is that they eventually stopped waiting for the platform to pay them and started finding ways to pay themselves. And that is the transition you need to make. Start small, build your list, and don't look back. See you in the next one.